guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make a delicious bacon cheddar roll or bacon cheddar pinwheels, whatever you want to call them. It is going to be so good. You guys are going to love it. I love bacon and cheddar together. Who doesn't? It's pretty much like a match made in heaven, and rolling it up and adding a few other things really makes it extra delicious. So I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees, and then I have just a store-bought Pillsbury pizza crust here that I'm going to start my roll with. So I have a mesquite seasoning here that I'm just going to sprinkle over the inside of the dough. You could kind of experiment here, like if you have like a bourbon seasoning or anything kind of fun like that, but this one actually here is mesquite, and I just love the flavors. After that, you're going to just lay out your strips of bacon, and you are going to want to cook it in your oven first. You don't have to cook it like all the way till it's fully crispy, but you do want to pre-cook the bacon before you actually lay it out, because that way, you know, a lot of the grease can come off prior, and also you don't have raw bacon in your roll when you're done. After that, next step, you guessed it, a nice cheddar cheese. I actually have a blend of white cheddar and yellow cheddar here, but any shredded cheddar will do. You're gonna need at least about 1.5 cups, 2 cups of it, because you wanna get it nice and cheesy in here. So just anything that you know you have a good enough amount for. And I like to leave a little bit of room at the end because that's actually where we're gonna press down the dough. So we don't want the cheese going right up to the end, but just about most of the way across. After that, final ingredient, we're gonna just sprinkle in a little bit of some green onion or scallion, whatever you call it. And not too much, but just a nice kind of even layer so that it gets into every bit. And then that's it, it's time to roll this sucker up. So then you're gonna just roll up your roll here. There we go. And then seal down the end. So once you press it down on the other end, if a little bit of bacon is hanging out, that's okay. You're gonna cook it in your 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know when it's golden brown and when you can lift it up off of your tray and that bottom is crisp too. And when this bacon cheddar roll is done, you are going to be so happy because it is super yummy and gooey and cheesy, and it is just one of the best things ever. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.